Good morning. This is Dr. Bevin Petty from Marl Science Institute Chemistry Department. Today, I'm going to continue the chapter Organic Synthesis using active methylene compounds. So already we have discussed in the two last videos that we have discussed regarding the acidity of ethyl acetoacetate and the synthesis and mechanism of the ethyl acetoacetate. Now, today in this video, I'm going to explain the synthesis of diethyl malonate. Now, the last synthesis what we have studied ethyl acetoacetate with mechanism. If it is asked, it will be 5 marks question in the examination. Now here the another synthesis we are studying today, that is synthesis of diethyl malonate. So if it is asked, it will be 3 marks question in the examination. Only just reaction we are studying, not mechanism. So here in this synthesis, diethyl malonate is synthesized by heating the sodium cyanide with sodium salt of chloroacetic acid. So when heated with this sodium cyanide, so we get the product sodium salt of cyanoacetate. Now here it is plus, we are getting the sodium chloride. So this is in the first step. Thus produced cyano compound in the next reaction, it is converted into diethyl malonate. So here in this second step, the hydrolysis of cyanide and the acidification of the salt and esterification reaction. Now here in the second step, hydrolysis of cyanide and acidification. Acidification means the removal of the sodium, it is converted into COOH. Now that is the acidification of the salt. Now when treated with the ethyl alcohol with this compound, so that is called esterification. Already we know that what is esterification. The acid reacts with the alcohol in presence of acid, it is converted into ester and water. So that is the esterification. Similarly here also in this reaction, after the eliminating the cyanide and the sodium removal converting into acid, when treated with the ethyl alcohol, so undergo esterification, giving the final product, that is diethyl malonate, and another product ammonium chloride and sodium chloride is formed. Thus we get the diethyl malonate. So the diethyl malonate, in general we can say diethyl malonate is easily synthesized by heating with a sodium salt of chloroacetic acid with the sodium cyanide, we get the product diethyl malonate. Now if it is asked in the examination, it will be 3 marks question. Similarly, another synthesis what we have studied in the last video, that is the ethyl acetoacetate with mechanism, that is the 5 marks question. Now in the next aspect, we are studying the keto-enol tautomerism of ethyl acetoacetate. So what is meant by keto-enol tautomerism? That the compound having the same molecular formula but they exist in the two different forms, that is keto form. Keto form is, that is C11O, that is a keto form. It is converted into enolic form, so that is COH. So that is enolic form, this is keto form. But the two compounds having the same molecular formula but gives the different functional groups. So here this is a keto functional group, this is enol functional group. Now here the tautomerism exists by the carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound means that as already we have seen in the another chapter, aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are the carbonyl compounds. In aldehydes, that is CHO, OH, then in the ketonic group that is C double bond O. The same compounds they exist in the keto and enol form. Like that, here also in the same structures what we have seen in the keto form and enolic form, that in the next reaction you can see here the compound ethyl acetoacetate that exists here. The carbonyl group, the pi electron shifts convert into C double bond C, and the hydrogen alpha hydrogen atom combines with oxygen giving the OH. Now this is the keto form, this is the conversion into enol form. They exist the equilibrium. So ethyl acetoacetate contains the alpha hydrogen adjacent to ketonic group, hence it exists both keto and enol form. So here in the keto and enol form, the tautomerism exists by carbonyl compounds and esters where the two tautomers are in the form of keto and enol forms is known as keto-enol tautomerism. Now here, this is the example what we have taken. Ethyl acetoacetate exists in the two forms, that keto form and in the enol form. Now with this next we are studying the reactions due to keto form of ethyl acetoacetate. Now we are studying next reactions of ethyl acetoacetate, that the reaction due to ketonic form, the reactions due to enolic form. So today's video just I am giving two reactions, that is the reactions of ethyl acetoacetate due to carbonyl group, that is ketonic group, that is keto form. Okay. Next, here the reactions of keto group, okay, involving the carbonyl group. So here in the first reaction, the reaction with hydrogen cyanide, that is the addition reaction. So addition of hydrogen cyanide gives the cyanohydrin. So here the keto form of ethyl acetoacetate reacts with the hydrogen cyanide forming the cyanohydrin. So this is a reaction due to keto group of the ethyl acetoacetate. Similarly, one more reaction, condensation with ammonium derivatives. So here condensation of ammonium derivatives, we are taking the example reaction with hydroxylamine. So ethyl acetoacetate, when it reacts with the hydroxylamine, we get the oxime. So this is the C double bond N OH is the oxime group, the cyano group really attached with the OH, that is the compound called oxime. So oxime is formed due to the reaction of hydroxylamine with ethyl acetoacetate. This is the reaction due to keto group of the EAA. Now with this I am concluding the today's video. So in the next class, next video, I am going to continue with the reactions due to the enol group. Now we have seen the two reactions, that is the reaction due to the keto group. Next class I will continue with the reactions due to the enol group. So with this I am going to conclude this video. Thank you.